So when did you first start thinking about going down the implant route? I mean, was it something you considered from quite a young age?
Sure, my friends developed a lot quicker than I did. I never really developed at all. I couldn't wear certain clothes. I struggled to buy outfits. I feel like I'd wear the same thing a lot of the time. I didn't feel confident wearing certain clothes. If I couldn't wear a big padded bra underneath the clothes that I bought, then I wouldn't wear them. I did a lot of sport as well that was often televised. Feeling confident really whilst doing the sport, but also knowing that you're televised at the same time was a really big confidence issue for me. I booked a holiday with my friends for my 21st birthday and I wanted them, that was kind of the trigger, the main trigger really.
Yeah, you're aiming towards
the main decision. Yeah.
So what did your surgeon discuss with you in that initial consultation? What were the sort of the first steps you took?
We just spoke about the reasons that I'd like the surgery, what I'd like the outcome to be from the surgery really. It was an opportunity for me to just ask as many questions as I had, as many as I'd like. It's whatever you sort of lead the consultation with your questions and your inquiries. So I would advise people to ask as many questions as possible. My surgeon beforehand did ask for my permission to choose 3 sizes, not huge various sizes, quite similar.
That they would then choose
that they would choose during, exactly, to then make the decision as to what would be best suited.
Absolutely. So, I mean, I guess it seems like a silly question, but how did you feel just before surgery? Were you excited? Were you nervous? And how did the team around you support you?
I was so excited for the surgery. I could not wait for the day to come. My mum came down with me, so she was great for support. I'd had lots of supportive messages from my friends as well.
Nice.
My surgeon and his team made sure I felt confident and reassured on the day that everything was going to go to plan.
And then how did you feel afterwards? I mean, obviously the initial coming round from surgery, I imagine you was a bit groggy afterwards, but then once that passed, how did you feel afterwards?
Once I'd recovered, I felt incredible. I woke up every day, I was happy that I knew that I could just put any clothes on that I wanted to. I could buy any clothes, I could go freely online shopping. I could go shopping for underwear and bikinis and not feel embarrassed. I actually did that for the first time. I could wear swimwear and feel confident. I could go back into sport and happy to be televised, feel confident and not have to sort of worry about that in the back of my mind whilst I was doing the sport as well, so I could fully focus on what I was doing. Day to day, just I could wake up and go about my life without worrying.
Because it's something I would imagine you probably thought about a lot, almost maybe on a day-to-day basis.
Yeah.
You know, and then suddenly you don't have that worry anymore.
It was amazing. It was honestly life-changing. They constantly change during the recovery period. They just constantly feel more like your body each day. So yeah, the confidence it's given me is
so that's a
incredible.
Gradual process, isn't it? The actual throughout your recovery period, the changes that are sort of subtle, but they are there.
Absolutely, yes.